Wait, where is she? What? Babe!
That is such a cool prank. I'm gonna try that on my wife. Hey, babe. There's a girl here and she's flirting with me. Send. Oh, she's gonna freak out. What's that noise?
Where is it? Kakalbuhin ko yung iway ng bahaya. Hinantay mo lang lang umalis ako.
Talaga, nasaan ang jowa mo? Nasaan ang jowa mo? Nasaan ang jowa mo? Nasaan ang jowa mo?
One, go.
Where is it?
3, 2, 1, go.
Hinantay mo lang pala na umalis ako.
Turn the steering wheel liwat when you're speaking. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Hinantay mo lang pala na umalis ako.
Ang landi-landi mo, nasaan ang jowa mo? Nasaan ang jowa mo?
Hinantay mo lang pala. Hinantay mo lang pala na umalis ako. Ahaw.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sasagparan ko ka mumumod ka ka.
Hey Wonder Fam, maraming salamat sa panunood sa ating bagong episode ng KASAL-ANAN. Hey Baby Nitro, you say salamat. Salamat. Bagong gising lang yan. Guys, make sure you download the app PhilTalk, the social network of the Philippines. Thanks for watching and see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye-bye!
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to PhilTalk today!